So yung benefits na makukuha natin sa PhilHealth is called Maternity Care Package or MCP. So may mga healthcare services na included sa MCP sa mga accredited facility ng PhilHealth. So sino bang pwede mag-avail nitong maternity benefit? Of course, you have to be a member of PhilHealth. So if you've been working for a long time and alam mo naman na siguradong hinuhulugan siya ng office mo or ng employer mo, then nothing to worry about that. So kung buntis ka na at hindi ka pa member, mag-register ka na as soon as possible sa pinakamalapit na PhilHealth office and you'll be required to pay the PhilHealth annual contribution na 2,400. So pinakasimple is just make sure na continuous yung payment mo para wala kang maging aberya about sa payment mo sa PhilHealth. So kung December yung kabuuanan mo, from March to December, dapat nakapagbayad ka. And 3 of those payments dapat nagawa mo from June to December. So that's one of the requirement ni PhilHealth. So magkano ba yung makukuha mo dapat? According sa website ni PhilHealth, kapag nanganak ka sa hospital, then it's 6,500. Pero kapag sa lying-in ka or mga small na clinics or mga midwife, then it's 8,000. May ibang scenario, may mga additional na fees na pwedeng makover. I won't go deep dun sa mga iba-ibang scenarios kasi hindi naman ako doctor or hindi naman ako employee ni PhilHealth para ma-detail lahat yun. Pero just so you know, there are other considerations depende sa sitwasyon ng pagbubuntis mo. So may mga benefits din kapag may premature delivery, tapos may additional benefit din dun sa newborn care packages, which makakatulong din para lalo pang mababa yung bill mo sa hospital. So paano nga ba i-avail yung PhilHealth maternity benefits? So unlike yung sa SSS, hindi to binibigay sa mommy. Yung benefit ng PhilHealth is binabawas sa hospital bill. So pag tinan nyo yung hospital bill nyo, makikita nyo yung deduction by PhilHealth. Ito naman yung mga requirements para ma-avail natin yung mga benefits na to. Una is yung latest copy of your PhilHealth Member Data Record or MDR.